Grignard reaction. Grignard reagents can be formed by adding magnesium to a halogenoalkane, in this case 1-bromopropane. So the formation of radicals, the magnesium will essentially insert itself between the alkane and the halogen, in this case bromine. As you can see, one of the electrons from the magnesium will attack the bromine, leading to the formation of a free radical on both the bromine and the magnesium. On the molecule with the bromine free radical, the carbon-bromine bond, half of the electrons would move towards the bromine, breaking the bond, and the other half goes towards the carbon to form the carbon-magnesium bond. The magnesium still being 1 plus charge, and the bromide still being around, being 1 negatively charged, will then form an ionic bond. Now, due to magnesium's cationic nature, it's extremely positive, and that leads to the carbon being delta negative, as it is then electron dense region. Due to this fact, it's a very good nucleophile and will attack regions of delta positive electrophilic regions, such as this case, which would be the carbon atom on the carbonyl. As a result, it leads to the formation of new carbon-carbon bonds, and it can lengthen carbon chains, as well as form new substituents. In this case, instead of carbonyl, you can form alcohol. And as you can see, the O negative charge would be associated with the salt, which will then be hydrolyzed to form the alcohol. It does this by the electron pairs on the oxygen will attack the hydrogen, which in turn breaks the bond, leading to the formation of the alcohol. Now, some applications and uses. Grignard reaction, as I said, is very versatile as it forms new carbon-carbon bonds. The pharmaceutical industry can be used to synthesize two specific molecules such as phenyramyl and fluconazole, both of which are fungicides. It is also very important in the production of tamoxifen, which is used to treat breast cancer. Now, Victor Grignard was born in Cherbourg, France on May 6th in 1871. In December 1894, after some persuasion, he joined a junior post at the University of Lyons, and after that he was promoted and began his long association with Philippe Barbier. In 1901 is when he submitted his thesis on organic magnesium compounds, which then led to his award for the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1912 for the discovery of the Grignard reagent. He passed away in 1935